for Christmas Day.
Thank you very much.
Alright, I think that's us finished now, folks. Do you want one more? Okay. We'll do our favourite one to finish on, which is driving home for Christmas, which most of you are doing, which is lovely. But all I've ever learned from love is how to shoot somebody who I dream. It's not a cry that you hear at night. It's not somebody who's seen the light. It's a coldness, a broken heart.
We're here collecting our wonderful, my parents-in-law and our grandmother and grandfather who live in France.
Are you excited to see Granny and Granddad?
Yeah.
She's waiting patiently.
Yes.
And I love your Christmas outfit, it's beautiful.
Yeah, I got even sparkles.
This is a very exciting trip because
it's the first time I meet my godson here, baby Thomas Jr. And also we got engaged there in the summer, so I'm bringing my fiance back to meet all the fam.